Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs related to plant pathology. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on into our first question. In India, green ear disease of sorghum was first identified by. The green ear or the downy mildew of sorghum is caused by Peronosclerospora sorghii, and it was first identified by E.J. Butler, who identified for the first time that phytoplasms can cause plant diseases. Doe et al. Identified that phytoplasms can cause plant diseases. Satellite virus was first discovered by. The satellite virus are the subviral pathogens that are entirely dependent upon the replication machinery of the helper cells, and these satellite viruses are discovered by Cassanis, who first proved that fungi could cause plant diseases. Prevost is the scientist who first proved that fungi could cause plant diseases. When Adolf Meyer first studied tobacco mosaic virus, he thought it was. When Adolf Meyer first studied the tobacco mosaic disease, he thought it was a bacteria, but later it was found that it is a virus. Sexuality in rust fungi was first discovered by. The sexuality in the rust fungi was first discovered by the scientist Craig. Indian Phytopathological Society was established by. Indian Phytopathological Society was established by B.B. Mundkar. The famous book Dictionary of Fungi was written by. The book Dictionary of Fungi was written by Ainsworth and Bisbee. Moving on to the next question. B.B. Mundkar wrote the book entitled Fungi and Plant Diseases is the book written by B.B. Mundkar. Fungi and Diseases in Plants was written by. Fungi and Diseases in Plants was written by E.J. Butler. The first plant parasitic nematode discovered was. Anguina triticea is the first plant parasitic nematode that was discovered, and it was discovered by Needham. Indian Phytopathology was published from. Indian Phytopathology is published from New Delhi. Boradox mixture was discovered by. Boradox mixture was discovered by PMA Millardate, and Boradox mixture composition is copper sulfate, lime and water in the ratio of 1:1:100. The first plant parasitic nematode was reported by. As said earlier, it was reported by Needham, and the plant parasitic nematode is Anguina triticea. Gelatin plate technique was discovered by. The gelatin plate technique was discovered by Robert Koch. Oxenic culture of rust fungi was first reported by. The oxenic culture of rust fungi was first reported by the scientist Cutter. Oxenic culture of Puxina graminis triticea was first reported by. The oxenic culture of Puxina graminis was reported by Williams. The famous book Introductory Mycology was written by. The book Introductory Mycology was written by Alexopoulos. Pioneer in the field of systemic mycology was. P.A. Saccardo was the scientist who is pioneer in the field of systemic mycology. Heterocium in rust was first reported by. Heterocium in rust was first reported by Anton de Bary. Device for continuous culturing of microorganisms is called. The device which is used for continuous culturing of microorganisms is a chemostat. Striga is a. When coming to the complete and incomplete stem and root parasites, the complete root parasite is Orabanche, whereas the incomplete root parasite is Striga. The complete stem parasite is Cuscuta, and incomplete stem parasite is Loranthus. Here, Striga is given, so it is a incomplete root parasite. Foliar blight pathogen can be easily controlled by. The foliar blight pathogens can be easily controlled by the application of Zineb. The largest flower Rafflesia is a parasite of. The largest flower Rafflesia is a root parasite. The algal genus which can cause disease in plants is. The algal genus which causes disease in plants is Cephalosporium, and it causes the red rust. Epidemic of southern blight of corn was due to. The sudden blight of corn which had caused the epidemic is due to the male sterile T genome. Which one is an example of abiotic elicitor? The salt of heavy metals is the abiotic elicitor. Siderophores are not produced by. The siderophores are not produced by anaerobic bacteria. Chyra disease of rice is due to the deficiency of. The Chyra disease of rice is due to the deficiency of zinc, and it can be corrected by the application of zinc sulfate. Rishetin is a phytoalexin and it is produced by. The phytoalexin rishetin is produced by potato. Tylosols are produced by. The tylosols are the outgrowths of parenchymatous cells into the lumen of tracheids or vessels of the secondary xylem, and these are produced by the parenchymatous cells. Tomatin, which inhibit the growth of fungus, is. Tomatin is a glycosidic alkaloid and it inhibits the growth of fungi. Antibiotic produced by cells are called. The antibiotics which are produced by cells are called as lymphocytes. Ribosomes are more distinct in. The ribosomes are more distinct in the phytoplasms. Moving on to the next question. Dithane M45 is a. The dithane M45 is a non-systemic fungicide. Conidia and sporangia are spores produced by. The conidia and the sporangia are the spores which are produced by fungi. Carborundum powder is. Silicon carbide is the carborundum powder. Agar agar is produced from. Agar agar is produced from Gelidium. Mango malformation is common in. Mango malformation is caused by Fusarium moniliforme variety subglutinans, and it is most common in northwest India. The toxic material's site of action is. The site of action of the toxic materials is the host cell's protoplasm. Cenocytic mycelium is found in. The cenocytic mycelium is a network of multinucleate hyphae and it is non-septate and it is mostly found in oomycetes. Spinzin copper is found in. When coming to the Spinzin copper, it is the growing of the hyphal tips of the higher fungi and it contains an organized or the assembly of the secretory vesicles and other cell components. And Spinzin copper plays a major role in apical growth and it is mostly found in septate fungi. Apothecia are found in. Apothecia is a cup-like or a disc-shaped sexual fruiting body which produces ascospores and it is found in Sclerotina. Alternation of generations is found in. Alternation of generations is found in Allomyces. Green islands is found in which of the following pathogen? Green island is found in rust of bean which is caused by Euromyces fascioli variety typica. Clamp connections is found in. When coming to the clamp connections, it is a hook-like structure formed laterally in between the dividing nuclei in the dikaryotic hyphae and it acts as a bypass for the nuclei, and these are usually found in Basidiomycetes and here in the examples it is found in Eustylago. Alternaria alternata produce. Alternaria alternata produce tentoxin. Which one is a polyetic pathogen? The pathogens which take several years to produce the inoculum are known as polyetic pathogens, and the example is Dutch elm disease which is caused by Ceratocystis ulmi. Non-septate conidia of fungi belong to. The non-septate conidia of fungi belong to Amyrospore, which is divided into colorless Hylospore and colored Phaeospore, and the examples are Phoma and Spearopsis respectively. Compound teleospores is a characteristic of which of the following genus? The compound teleospores is a characteristic of the genus Phragmodium. In fungi, storage food accumulates as. In fungi, the storage food accumulates as glycogen. Saprolegnia parasitica causes diseases in which of the following? It causes diseases in fishes. An example of unicellular fungus is yeast. The taxa division ends with which of the following? The division is replaced by phylum and it is ended by mycota, whereas class ends with mycetes, subclass with Mycetidae, order with ales, and family with Acaea. Which one of the following is a coprophilous fungi? The coprophilous fungi are the fungi which grow on the dung, and Pilobolus is a coprophilous fungi. Sterile hymeneum layer is known as. Paraphysis is known as sterile hymeneum layer. Which of the following fungus is called weed of laboratory? Aspergillus niger is known as weed of laboratory. Microcyclic rust is always. When coming to the microcyclic rust, these are the rusts which produce no binucleate spores other than the teleospores, and the microcyclic rust is always facultative in nature. Bacteria that infect the bacteria are known as. The bacteria which infect the bacteria is known as Delovibrio. Phytoplasms grow in phloem of the plant because. The phytoplasms grow in the phloem of the plant because the phloem has excess of sterols. L form of bacteria are. The L form of bacteria are cell wall lacking. They do not have a cell wall. The number of rings present in gram-positive bacterial flagella. There are 2 rings in gram-positive bacterial flagella. Rickettsia differ from phytoplasm in response to which of the following? It differs in the presence of cell wall, sensitivity to penicillium, and the presence of peptidoglycan. Cell wall of agrobacteria contain. The cell wall of agrobacteria contains lipoprotein. Plasmid can be eliminated by which of the following? The plasmid can be eliminated by acridine dye. The TI plasmid carries information for which of the following? The TI plasmid carries the information for tDNA, opine synthesis, and protein synthesis. Sex factor in bacteria is known as. The sex factor in bacteria is known as episome. Antibacterial antibiotic oxytetracycline is produced by. The oxytetracycline is produced by Streptomyces rhemosus. Bacterial chromosome is composed of. The bacterial chromosome is composed of double-stranded DNA. Reserve food material of bacteria are known as. The reserve food material in bacteria is beta-hydroxybutyrate. The plant pathogenic facultative anaerobic bacteria genus is. Erwinia is the facultative anaerobic bacteria. Mendocicutes are included in. Mendocicutes are the bacteria which are methanogenic. That means they are the methanogenic bacteria, and they include the archaebacteria. Gram-negative bacterial cell wall is lacking in. Gram-negative bacterial cell wall does not have teconic acid, whereas the gram-positive bacteria have 85% of mucopeptide and teconic acids. The acid-fast staining is done for. Acid-fast staining is done for Mycococcus. Bacterial multiplication by binary fission requires. Bacterial multiplication by binary fission requires 20 to 30 minutes. Most bacteria below pH 5.5 behave as. Below the pH of 5.5, most of the bacteria behave as gram-negative bacteria. All phytopathogenic bacteria are capable of living as. The phytopathogenic bacteria are capable of living as saprophytes. Delovirus kills. The delovirus kills the gram-negative bacteria. Mycovirus contains. Mycovirus contains double-stranded RNA. The first plant viroid disease reported was. The first plant viroid disease reported was potato spindle tuber viroid. Comoviruses are. Comoviruses are bipartite. Lambda phage has. The lambda phage has double-stranded DNA. Virus that kill some gram-negative bacteria are known as. They are known as bacteriophage. Cauliflower mosaic virus is famous for. The cauliflower mosaic virus, which has double-stranded DNA, is famous for the genetic study. The oldest known viral disease of plant is. Tulip color breaking is the oldest known viral disease. White flies transmitted viruses are mostly under which group? Whiteflies transmitted viruses are under the group of Gemini virus. Leaf roll of potato is transmitted by. The leaf roll of potato is transmitted by aphids. They are Mysis pseudosolani, Mysis persicae and Mysis circumflexum. Bacteriophages are the virus which infect the bacteria and they are obligate in nature. Bacteriophages multiply inside the bacterial cell. The protein coat of virus is commonly known as. The protein coat of virus is capsid. Capsid contains of many subunits referred as. Capsid is made up of many subunits which are known as capsomeres. Satellite virus have been found in association with. The satellite virus have been found in association with tobacco necrosis virus. Viroids are inactivated at the temperature of 90 degrees centigrade. Tomato leaf curl virus is transmitted by. Tomato leaf curl virus is transmitted by the whitefly Bemisia tabaci. Cocoa sole and shoot virus is under. The cocoa sole and shoot virus is under Badna virus. The next question is, cell-to-cell movement of virus takes place through. The cell-to-cell movement of the virus takes place through the plasmodesmata. TMV is present on. The tobacco mosaic virus is present on the surface of the seed. Bhendi yellow vein mosaic is caused by. The yellow vein mosaic of Bhendi is caused by Gemini virus. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is provided on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.